In this episode, I'm going to take you through how to use email marketing to grow your business. First, I'll explain why email marketing can seriously help grow your business, and then I'll go through 3 golden rules to unlock profit from your email list, followed by 10 secrets to help you be successful. At the end of this video, you'll know more about email marketing than 90% of business people. So, let's get into it. Hi, I'm David Caddick and welcome to Digital Growth Genius, where I help businesses grow with digital. Now this video is step 3 in my series on how to turn your website into a marketing machine in 6 steps. This series will get you focused on the critical things that you need to do to turn your website into a marketing machine. Click on the links below to see the whole series when it's available, and you'll also find a link to a special tool that will help you diagnose the problems on your website and what you need to do to grow your business with digital. Finally, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell so you don't miss a thing. Alright, let's start with why email marketing can seriously help grow your business. Firstly, from a return on investment point of view, email marketing is pretty hard to beat. DMA.org.uk research shows that email marketing return on investment is 32 to 1. That's $32 back for every dollar invested. Their research also revealed that the average email address is worth $37 to a business. This data is so strong because email engagement can be up to 20 times higher than social media posts. Those are very compelling stats for any business and certainly confirmed with my experience with email marketing. I've sent literally hundreds of thousands of emails through my career, and the results are always good if you follow some trade secrets, and that's what we'll go through today. First, I want to take you through 3 golden rules of email marketing. Golden rule number 1 is focus your email marketing efforts on building a relationship with your email list. Don't make every email you send about a special offer or a discount. If you do, over time, your list will get tired of seeing discounts from you. You need to ensure that you are sending a really healthy percentage of emails that add value for your potential customers. Send your email list guides on how to solve a problem they might have, or tips and advice on things that are relevant to your ideal customer. To make sure you don't fall into the trap of only sending out emails with discounts or offers, map out what emails you're going to send out over a course of a month or a quarter. My rule is that I like to send at least 75% value-add emails to the lists of clients I work with. If you do this, you will see your email open engagement rates increase over time, and you'll be less likely to end up in spam folders because email service providers will see that your email list is opening your emails. Now, the other benefit of sending at least 75% value emails is that you'll be building a relationship with your email list. Over time, your list will begin to know, like, and trust you, which will make your offer emails perform even better when you send them. So better open rates, better relationships, and better conversions on your emails. Pretty powerful. Golden rule number 2 is segment your list. I cannot emphasize how important this is. If you execute golden rule number 1 well, your email automation service can track what each person on your list is reading and engaging with. This will allow you to work out what each particular customer's interests are. You can then use this information to target the right offers to the right people. To give you a simple example, if you had a pet shop, you could send out an email with 2 separate articles on the perfect food for your dog and the perfect food for your cat. Customers who interact with the dog food article are highly likely to have a dog, so when you send out an offer email, only send dog offers to those customers because cat owners won't be interested in dog offers. This will significantly improve your sales rate because your email list will be getting offers that are relevant to them. Amazon does this really well, and it's a powerful source of sales for them. I recently was on their website looking at camera tripods. About a day later, I got an email with a full list of tripods that I might be interested in. They clearly tracked what I looked at on their website and sent me an email with products that I'm interested in. Now, don't think that this type of targeting is only for big businesses. Email automation services like ActiveCampaign allow you to segment customers and even track what your email list is interacting with on your website. You can then send emails based on these behaviors. Pretty cool, and I'm sure you can see how this could grow your business. Golden rule number 3 is all about email automation sequences. Email services like ActiveCampaign allow you to set up an automated series of emails to build a relationship with your customer and sell. When someone on your email list meets a certain criteria, an automated series of emails is triggered. For example, if someone clicked on that article about dog food, you could trigger a series of emails about dog products. Now, there are 4 email automation sequences that you must have to grow with email. The first is a nurture sequence that you put all your new email subscribers through. So let's say someone subscribes on an alcohol website to a guide about how to choose the right wine with the right meal. The first email in this sequence is about delivering that guide because that's what they asked for. The second email should follow up with another useful guide that will help the customer. Now, the third email in the nurture sequence is one of my favorites, and it's what I call the self-segmentation email. In the self-segmentation email, you ask the subscriber a question about what most interests them in your field. So, for example, a pet shop owner might send the following email. Hi David, my name is John, the owner of Downtown Pets. As a lover of animals, I love giving the best advice to my customers, and I want to make sure I do the same thing for you. So I can give you the best advice possible. Could you let me know below what interests you most when it comes to looking after your pet? Is it how to pick the best pet for me? Tips on how to train my pet? Tips on the best food to give my pet? Tips on how to keep my pet healthy? I'll then be able to send you information that's most relevant for you and your pet. All the best. Whatever the subscriber chooses then triggers a series of emails around that topic. I'm sure you can see how this approach allows you to tailor the right emails to the right subscribers. The next step is to integrate a frequently asked question email and a testimonial and customer review email into this nurture sequence to prove your expertise. Finally, integrate emails with offers related to whatever it is the potential customer said that they were interested in. If you follow these steps, you'll have a series of emails that builds trust with customers and primes them for a sale. The second email sequence is the cart abandonment sequence. In this situation, a potential customer may have added products or services to their checkout cart or booking page, but not completed the sale. If you have your tracking set up correctly, you can trigger a series of emails that reminds these potential customers to complete their order. The first email in the sequence reminds them that they have left their cart or booking page and invites them to come back and complete the process. You could even include an additional discount to convince them. If they don't take action, the second email should remind them of the benefits of your products or services. The third email should give them some sort of reassurance, like reminding them of your money-back guarantee. And the final email should include some customer reviews and testimonials to reinforce your social proof. Cart abandonment sequences work if they're done well. The third email automation sequence is the post-purchase series. In this sequence, your primary goal is to make sure the customer has an outstanding experience with your product or service, because customer retention is always more profitable than continuing to find new customers. The first email is a congratulations email with any information they need for the product or service. The second email should be some tips on how to use the product or service. Often people get frustrated with a product or service because they aren't using it in the right way. Include some really detailed tips or examples of customers and how they use the product or service to achieve success. The third email is another one of my favorites. In this email, you offer customers an additional product or service that helps them use the first product better. For example, if you sold makeup, you might offer a brush to help apply the makeup better or faster. If you keep the second product focused on how it can make the first product faster or easy to use, you'll have some great selling opportunities. The next email is a request for feedback on their purchase to help find any issues that may have arisen. I cannot emphasize how important this email is, because you need to have a mechanism to identify and eliminate problems in your business so that you maximize customer satisfaction. Follow this email up with a request for a referral and offer some sort of benefit if they refer a friend to your business. Finally, request a review and testimonial and make sure you display these on your website. If you do this sequence well, you'll have a customer for life and be generating additional revenue for your business. The fourth and final automation sequence is the win-back series. You should be able to work out which of your customers haven't purchased from you before or in a while. Put these customers into a specific email sequence designed to win them back and get them to purchase. The first email should have a special offer to purchase. Think of a unique and special discount or value-add service that you could provide them. Also, make sure your offer is targeted around the interest that you have been tracking. If they don't take up this offer, the second email should be what I call a low threshold offer. Often customers are hesitant to take the first step with a business. A low threshold offer is something that doesn't require much from a customer but gets the ball rolling. For example, a dog trainer might offer a free 20-minute phone consultation. This offer would give you the opportunity to interact with a potential customer and prove to them that you can help solve their problems. The final email in this sequence is a request for feedback. You will be surprised what you learn in the responses to this email. Alright, so there are my 3 golden rules of email marketing. Now, before you dive into all of that, I want to take you through 10 secrets to email marketing that will really help you as you develop your email marketing strategy. The first secret is Resend. This is a big one and a secret that you'll thank me for. When you are setting up your email sequences, set up a resend of the email to all of the people who didn't open your email. Change the title to something different because maybe your title didn't resonate or simply your potential customers were too busy. Also remember to send it a day or 2 after the first email. When I do this, I take the percentage of people who see my email from 35% to 50%. That's a massive difference. Resend is absolutely essential, so make sure you are doing this in your business because it drives additional profit. Secret number 2 is avoid spammy words. All email providers have aggressive spam filters. Words like free, guarantee, 100% cheap, apply now, all raise the eyebrows of these spam filters. If you check your own junk folder, you'll see some interesting examples of emails with a lot of spammy words. To help you, I've put a link below to a list of spam words to be careful of. Now you can still use these words, but be careful of the frequency and the context you use them in. If your email is littered with these terms, you'll get marked as spam and go straight to the junk folder. Importantly, many email automation services like ActiveCampaign have automatic tools that scan your email and let you know if they pass the spam filters, so make sure you check them out. The third secret is sweat the subject line. Your subject line will massively impact your open rates. I do a lot of A/B testing of my subject lines and they prove you can get big variations in open rates depending on the subject line. Think about what words really resonate with your customers, how you can create some intrigue and keep it short. Remember, long subject lines won't display on mobile devices. To help you, I've got a download below of awesome subject lines that will get you thinking. Combine these with some A/B testing and you'll be dramatically improving your open rates. The fourth secret is use a PS. This is another secret little weapon that should be in every email you send. Often potential customers skim emails all the way to the bottom, so adding a PS is your opportunity to quickly summarize what's in the email. Also make sure you include a call to action in the PS so that potential customers know what you want them to do. The fifth secret is to be human. Don't sound like some faceless corporation. Make sure your email comes from a real human with a name, not the marketing department. Also, make sure you use the potential customer's name in the email. That's how you would talk to your friends, so why would you treat your subscribers any differently? Humans like dealing with humans, and the more you behave like one in your email, the more successful you'll be. Secret number 6 is timing. This one tip can improve your email performance by around 10%. You can improve your email open and click-through rates by picking the right time to send an email. GetResponse.com data shows that around 6 a.m. and between 10 a.m. and 1 p.m. drives the best open rates and click-through rates. Monday through Friday are the best days of the week for open and click-through rates. The best advice I can give you is to have a really good think about what might be the best time to send an email to your subscribers. Better still, experiment with delivery times to see what works best for your business. The seventh secret is clean your list. This one may cause you some pain, but trust me, it's for the best. Every list has some subscribers on it who just don't open your emails. If this is a big percentage of your list, then it's going to hurt your deliverability because the spam filters will notice that a lot of your emails aren't getting opened. Those spam filters may then decide that all of your emails are spam. This is a big cause of poor open rates. So to improve my email deliverability, I delete any subscriber who hasn't opened an email in 3 to 4 months. This will ensure that the people who are on your email list are engaged and opening your emails and therefore improve the overall deliverability to these people. I know it sounds hard to delete email addresses you have fought hard to obtain, but remember, you are deleting people who have generated nothing for your business and improving the deliverability to people who are interested in what you've got to say. Secret number 8 is mobile friendly. This seems so obvious, but a lot of clients I work with don't check how their email looks on a smartphone. Given that at least 50% of your emails will be read on a mobile phone, you've got to make sure it looks good on mobile. Check your font size. I always use 16 point and make sure it formats well on a mobile device. Poor formatting on mobile can absolutely kill your credibility. The ninth secret is ask a question. Wherever possible, ask your readers a question in your email and ask them to hit reply with an answer. There are 2 big advantages of doing this. Firstly, you'll open up a conversation with your potential customers, and that can only be good for your business. Secondly, if the spam filters recognize that there is a dialogue, they'll be less likely to put future emails from you in the spam folder. This is a great way to improve deliverability. The 10th secret is spam folder checks. We discussed a few times the need to avoid getting put into a subscriber's spam folder. Try as you might, sometimes you just cannot avoid this. To deal with this, you need to remind your subscribers to check their spam folder just in case your emails are ending up there. You can do this on your thank you page right after someone signs up. Also, make sure you provide some instructions on how a subscriber can move your email from the spam folder to the inbox so you fix future deliverability issues. If you do this, you will improve your deliverability significantly. As an extra bonus, I've got one additional tip for you, and that is check your data and test. Many businesses don't check things like open rates, click-through rates, and conversions, so they just don't know which emails are working and which aren't. If you watch the data closely and have a testing mindset, you'll quickly work out what works and what doesn't and be able to adjust accordingly, and that can only be good for your business growth. So there you have it, a guide on how to use email marketing to grow your business. You've seen the stats on email marketing, so the potential should be obvious. If you execute the 3 golden rules and the 10 secrets well, this could be a really great growth opportunity for your business. Now below you'll find links to a downloadable summary of this episode and a link to my tool that helps you diagnose the key things that you need to do to focus on improving your website. This video is step 3 in my series on how to turn your website into a marketing machine in 6 steps. In step 4, I'll give you a simple, non-techie guide to the technical stuff that you must get right on your website. If you found this video helpful, please share it with a fellow business owner, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell so you don't miss valuable tips on how to grow your business with digital. See you in the next episode.